Okay, so this team Aqualife afa that one to the Jumedi no ebeboa.
Oh, me sha ebeboa pa. If say me say kwapem ha no ye waku ahoro a eye youth na fe na ye rebo ye homoden say ye be.
Papa me say na je say we go man youth ebitima kwa ye waka bo na fe say develop ye kokko.
Say na me di make can say Aqualife I dey say Jumadi bebre ho a wo ye na me je di say ebe man youth no akabo so what I say nti eyinum nyina ye part of it ebe boya ama won nyina ye nyina ya ka ye ho abom girls no. So I think that bebre hwe won ho what their colleagues have, their friends have, woni kra by force as so nya eno na say metu won for say won jai na won kasa won hwe won no sitting na won fa hwe ne wo pese wo
mo fa bebre reba nti the ebe catch one is say one for one is serious because you see, an education is the key. Without education, you cannot be successful. I'll never lie to you. Because when I go to school, there are things that you can't even write and can't even speak. What else? And the better one is say, one for one's book seriously, one see this seriously. Then every one that once when you're doing panic.
Men kase ko pompe se ya pemon pen for the say. That time in the here one pa. It is that time you won't say you be say ah. One two men na one moya yen. Na yensu yentumi tunkan enkwa ni